to Mathtechs tutorials. Now, we are going to teach you how to solve the basics of differentiation, which is a process of finding the derivative or rate of change of a function. An anti-differentiation, also called as integration, that can be used to find areas under the curve of a function, using the formulas and rules. So let's start.
Learned about finding a derivative of a function using the chain rule, let's try finding the integral, which is the reverse of finding a derivative. But before we go on to the next problem, you may ask, what is an integral? So an integral assigns numbers of functions in a way that describes displacement, area, volume, and other concepts that arise by combining infinitesimal data. The process of finding integrals is called integration. So for the next function, we have Miss Micaela Pacis to discuss it.
So here is the given problem. The integration of cosine x over sine squared x and dx. Let u is equivalent to sine x and du is equivalent for cos sine x dx. All we're going to do is to integrate du over u squared. So it will become negative 1 over u. From trigonometric identities, we can get the final answer of this problem, and therefore the final answer is negative cos secant x.
That would be all for this video, and we hope that you have learned something